want to introduce our sponsor today. The sponsor of the show today is Be Prepared Expo 2022. Now, those of you who know us, you know we love all things preparedness. We actually ran our own Preparedness Expo, and that's how we met. You heard it last week. I'm not going to go over it again. And there's a new dog in town, and we're super excited for him because his goal is to actually get more people prepared. Bigger, if possible, hopefully, than PrepperCon. So Be Prepared Expo, we're going to have Chris, the founder of Be Prepared Expo, on with us next week for an interview. But go to bepreparedexpo.com. You can buy tickets. Early bird are $8. Tickets at the door are $10. All the pricing's on the website. There's some huge giveaways. Just to give you an idea, you can actually get, this is crazy. At the show, they're going to be giving every hour, they're going to be giving something else away, right? Have you guys seen these yet?
Yeah, I think so. The giveaways?
Yeah, a 1973 Kaiser M35, which is a 6.5. Mm-hmm. Right? A 22 to 24 foot pull trailer. They've got air filtration systems, so it removes all the different types of contaminations in your home. Nutritech is the one giving that away. They've also got the Caraco whole house water filtration system, among many other things, including Ova Easy, and my personal favorite, 100 ounces of silver.
Whoa.
That
is
awesome.
It's a good gift, good price.
I don't quite have 100 ounces of silver yet, unlike you two. I had, but like all good things, like all good things, we need to be prepared, right? We need to make sure we're getting the right things. And I used part of my preparedness stuff to get through hard times. In fact, that was my kind of plan from the beginning. Buy the silver as a hedge against inflation, buy the silver as something to use when things get worse. And when things got worse, we used it. And it made the hugest difference for my family. And then I started stockpiling again. Same thing with food, right? We use it when we need it and we replenish it. So that's kind of the gist of what I want to get into about that. But I mean, there's some amazing things you can get. Check out the website, check out all the socials. Be Prepared Expo. They're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I mean, YouTube. Hop on it, give them a follow. We've got more content coming with them, and we're super excited. We're going to be there. So if you're in Utah or the surrounding areas, make sure you get out. We'll be in booth 918, and we would love to see you, love to meet you, love to help you get better prepared. So
April 23rd, 22nd, 23rd.
Yes.
Friday, Saturday at this, I would say Southtown Expo, but it's a Mountain America Expo Center in Sandy.
Right? They changed the name. You're like,
yes.
Wait, what is this thing?
That's where we have PrepperCon as well.
Mountain America Expo Center in Sandy, Utah. So 22nd and 23rd, it's going to be fun. It opens at, I want to say 11 o'clock on Wednesday or 12 o'clock.
On Friday.
On Friday. 12 o'clock on Friday till 6 p.m. and then 9 to 6 on Saturday. So come on out.
Come say hi.
Yeah, love to meet you.